The number one key to keeping kids safe behind the wheel are parents. Parents are an important factor and truly determine whether or not drivers are going to be safe and they're going to make it home and they know everything that they need to know and gain the experience they need to gain. This deals with kids in all facets of life and especially driving. The CDC, the Center for Disease Control, and some of the other American Pediatrics Academy have come up with this program called Parents Are the Key, and I think it's pretty cool. And they even have a parent team driving agreement. Okay, this is a contract that you can have with your kid. And the wonderful thing about this, I'm a lawyer, I like contracts, but I think it's more important from a psychological standpoint of going over all the issues with your child that they could face when they're behind the wheel. It goes over, saying all the things that they're going to promise to do. They promise to obey the rules of the road. They promise to make sure they're staying focused on driving, and then they're going to respect the laws with regards to alcohol and drugs and be a responsible driver. And it gives a whole laundry list of things that they're going to promise to do, and you can even write in certain things that you want them to do as well. The agreement is also great because it lists all the restrictions. And so as they start off as a driver, they're going to be more restricted. And so they limit the times of when they can drive and how many people they can drive with. And then over time, you can remove some of those restrictions. It also has a section on the penalties for agreements of the violation. So if you get caught doing something or whatever, boom, the penalty is already there and it was set out in front, and it's not some arbitrary thing that a parent's going to pick. Because it's something that everybody agreed to. And so this gives some clarity and some fairness to the kids, and I know that's a big thing with teenagers wanting to be treated as adults or whatever. And it actually makes them sign right here, and it says I pledge, and it's the signature of the driver and of the parents. And so it might not be something that's enforceable or whatever, but at the same time it is something that goes over all the parameters of what's safe and what's not safe, and it gets your child to commit to something. And getting them to commit to it is a big important factor, and knowing if they violate it, they're going to have repercussions. That's an important factor as well. And so anything we can do to try to help is going to make everything better for everyone. So again, my name is Seth Smiley from the Smiley Law Firm, and this is in another edition of Parents of Teen Drivers Facebook group. And this parent-teen driver agreement can be found at CDC's website, and I'll put the link in the post. And if anybody has any other good ideas that they've done with their kids, feel free to post those as well. Thank you.